I'm really nervous about the presentation that I have to give in front of everyone tomorrow. Greetings to one and all. I know we all have been in such a kind of situation where we are asked to introduce ourselves, give a presentation, or a speech on a random topic. But I'm here with a video that will give you the crux of the important things that will help you to master the art of public speaking. Now, as you can see, beyond words, mastering the art of public speaking. So, this is a PowerPoint presentation that I've prepared for you all, and this has exactly the roadmap that you need to follow to become a great public speaker. Now, you all might be thinking, what is something beyond words? This phrase seems so abstract. Well, beyond words is actually the real meaning of public speaking. Speaking is not just about of speaking words and just going on, you know, giving knowledge and telling your perspective to everyone. Speaking is actually more meaningful when it's leaving an impact on the people who are listening to you. So, when I say beyond words, it means that your words are not the only thing which matters, but also the impact that you are leaving on your audiences. So, let's get to the next slide. Now, the link for this presentation will be provided to you in the description box. But for now, I will not be just reading out what's written on this screen. Rather than that, I'll be actually telling you from my own experience that how you can become a great public speaker. Now, when I talk about the speaker's toolkit, so there are only three qualities that you need to build to become a great public speaker. Now, the first one is unlocking your confidence. Yes, confidence is the key. Now, you all might be thinking, that's the actual problem that we do not have confidence. And yeah, how to build it up? So, to build your confidence, you just need practice. Yes, it's just practice. Now, you all might be thinking, that it's not possible to gather 50 or 20 people and just go in front of them and speak again and again so that you build up confidence. So yeah, that's not what I'm asking you to do. What I'm asking is stand in front of the mirror at least for 5 minutes and just speak randomly about any topic, about anything that you feel like you can just speak endlessly about, or you are interested in speaking about. So just open yourself, open your heart, open your mouth, and speak about things. Speak it up, right? So that's how you are going to build the confidence. Once you stand in front of the mirror, do the rehearsals and practices to speak on any kind of topic, on the things you like, then slowly you will have the confidence to even speak in front of people. Then participate in competitions, like if you are a working professional or a student or a housewife, whatever. So just participate in activities or competitions which will give you the exact exposure, that is real audiences in front of you. You are on a podium with a mic and you are speaking your heart out on the particular topic. Then, secondly, if it's a competition, then definitely you should start preparing 5 days prior to the competition. And then again, you have to rehearse your script in front of the mirror very nicely, and then you are absolutely good to go. So, that's the key and the roadmap to building your confidence. Now, after you have got the confidence, the next thing in your toolkit is body language and facial expressions. Now, when I talk about body language, it does not mean to dance in front of the audiences. Many a times people confuse body language with a lot of bodily movements. No, body language while speaking does not mean that you have to move your body a lot. It just means that at the right point of time, you have to exaggerate your body language, open your arms, and change your facial expressions, your voice modulations, just to emphasize on some points. Like if I'm talking about something that's funny, I can have a light tone, right? In the same way, if I'm talking about something really very serious, I have to have a deeper tone. In the same way, coming to my hands, I have to show the emphasis that this is the right thing. That's how we proceed. In this way, I have to use my body language to actually emphasize and have the impact on audiences of what I'm speaking, right? So that's the importance of body language and facial expressions, because that's the only thing which will take your words to impact, right? The real impact that you want to see on the audiences, the connectivity with the audience that you want to establish, can be only done with your body language. So once you are confident, you have the body language, you will have the command on your body to move a bit, to be straight, to be open, right? To be tall, standing tall, with a straight back, no slouching or hunching of your back. That's how, with confidence, you will be easily able to get the body language, right? Now, the next thing that should be in your toolkit is voice clarity. Yes, voice clarity. Now, many at times, what happens, people are confident enough, great body language, but they are not at all comprehensible. Nobody is able to understand what they are speaking, or, then obviously the communication is halted. It's really very bad to experience such a communication conversation with someone where you are not able to understand a thing, and then do not even think about the impact when you are not able to make yourself clear to others. So it's very important that with confidence body language, you have the clarity. You have to project your message really powerfully, that it can easily have the impact you want it to have. So that is why, to be a great public speaker, you require three things, and they are confidence, body language, and voice clarity. Now, at the last, I would like to burst a myth that many of us have, and many of us are even taunted and told again and again, that where's your accent? Oh, that Indian accent that you have while you are speaking. So, what's bad in that? I think clarity is what which triumphs all. If you are clear, confident with a good body language, you can easily ace it. Accent is the last most thing which you can try to develop. If you are a great public speaker, clear enough, then definitely go for polishing your accent, but it is not what matters the most. What matters is your fluency, clarity over accent, and the authenticity that will connect to your audiences. So, at last, I'm signing off and see you soon with another video. I hope this helps. And this was Her Nation. Subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.